Hello everybody, welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is February 19th, 2017, and now scientists are saying that the large volcano Krakatau is coming to life. And over the past week, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of volcanoes have been coming to life that have been inactive for quite a long time. And you can guarantee that a lot of this has to do with internal pressure buildup and earthquake activity throughout a lot of these regions. Now, this volcano is located over in Indonesia, and the report is coming from Discovery Volcano. Great website. I mention it quite frequently. The headline states, Krakatau volcano news and eruption updates. The volcano is coming to life, and it's showing a very strong thermal signal, and it could suggest a new eruption at any time. Now, this is the thermo signal that they're referring to. One scientist that has been keeping track of a lot of information over in this region, gentleman is from Germany, and whenever I was reading this information, once again, folks, this information is very startling, but it basically says that, as our colleague Mark Seglet from Vulcan.net, which is a German-based website, and this gentleman, again, I believe he's a volcanologist, and it said that he noticed a very, very strong thermal signal from what seems to be the submission of thermal heat. And this was detected from satellite data. And this is one of the ways that they do monitor these volcanoes, from satellite. And I've watched some of this imagery before on Discovery Volcano. Pretty interesting stuff. But it goes into saying what causes the thermo signal exactly is unknown. And then it goes into further talking about the information that they've gathered over the past couple of days. And it's been some time since this volcano has erupted. However, I started doing a little bit of investigating on this volcano, and from what I've found, back in, I believe it's 1883, this volcano erupted, and the circumstances after the eruption were just absolutely horrible and cataclysmic. It states that the eruption of 1883 was awful. The eruption lasted from August 26th through the 27th. The explosion to the eruption was the loudest sound in recorded history. And then it states on the VEI scale, which stands for Volcanic Explosivity Index, it was a 6. A 6. They make it sound like it would have been a 10. However, the eruption was 13,000 times worse than the bombing of Hiroshima. The explosions were equivalent to 200 megatons of TNT. The volcanic ejection was at least 21 kilometers high of rock, ash, and pumice. The shock waves were felt around the globe. It also states that along with the horrible eruption, there was another problem: huge tsunamis. And they killed a lot of people, and they destroyed a lot of towns. It further states that in the end, 165 villages and towns were completely destroyed, and 132 were severely damaged. So, I mean, folks, we really have to start looking out for what's happening. When this volcano erupted in 1883, it killed 36,000 people. The eruption destroyed 2/3 of the island. So we really have to start paying close attention to what's happening with these volcanoes. Now, the earthquake activity around the world, especially over in the South Pacific, has seemed to maybe calm down a little bit. But the magnitude of the earthquakes that are occurring has gone up. Very interesting article here. I'll leave a link to it. But again, we're noticing an uptick in this volcanic activity. There is no doubt. And once again, going back to statements that I've made before, and I will reiterate by saying, we will get into the period where earthquake activity will increase, volcanic activity around the world will increase. And once again, we're seeing some of the weirdest weather around the world. We've talked about it before, and we will continue to talk about it in the weeks and the months to come. And as I keep investigating and looking into these things, everything is falling into a set pattern. We experienced the uptick in earthquake activity. Now we have the weird weather, and now volcanoes are coming to life. So once again, we must stay vigilant. We must seek all of the knowledge and information that we're allowed to have. Because there's no doubt in my mind, there is so much that is being kept from the people that inhabit this planet. So we're going to keep an eye on this volcano and all of them. And the other day I was showing everyone the map of the volcanoes that are erupting, and we'll go ahead and just pull that up real quick. Take a look at it for today, the 19th of February. And this is showing you the 19th of February, 2017. All of the volcanoes in red are labeled because they are erupting. So once again, we're going to keep a very close eye on this. If any of you live anywhere near any active volcanoes, please, once again, make sure that you have yourself some type of preparation plan for you and your family. I would also recommend, once again, to download this application from Volcano Discovery. I'll leave a link. But whenever you click on the link, move right over on their main page to where it says app. Or you can go to the App Store in your cell phone, type in Volcano Discovery, download the app. They monitor volcanoes and earthquakes. The information gets to my cell phone within 2 minutes. That's vital time. So once again, I'll leave a link for all of this information in the description box under the video. My last statement, folks, volcanoes around the world, they're coming to life. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching the Nibiru channel. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, set your notifications up, and keep yourself updated. Thank you for watching.